It is hot in here, huh? Guess you really can't have windows in here with it being a changing room and all, but you'd think they'd work out some extra ventilation system or something. Maybe that's on us for going to a $15 gym. Well, the unisex changing rooms really scream budget build, right? I'm Hal, by the way. Nice to meet you. I think I've made eyes with you a few times, actually, from across the treadmills, right? Very rom-com, don't you think? You have a amazing form whenever I've seen you. I've considered asking you for tips at times, but I didn't want to interrupt you. Well, the truth is, I've always been too intimidated to come talk to you. You're just so... wow. Something about you, it's just so enigmatic, I guess. You draw me in. Like a woman with a bit of mystery about her. But that also means I'm drawn almost exclusively to women who are out of my league. So, here's my shot, right? Would you consider going and grabbing a drink with me after this? There's a place right across the street. We're both done with our workout. Come on. Awesome. I just gotta jump in the shower first. I don't want to subject you to a sweaty guy in a small bar sitting right next to you. That's more second date material, you know what I mean? You taking a shower too? I see the towel. All right, fantastic, cool. I will catch you on the other side then. God damn, it is hot in here. Is this supposed to be a shower or a fucking sauna? Whoa. Are you alright? Hey. Hey, are you okay? Oh, fuck. Hello? Okay, I'm coming in, all right? I'll throw my towel over you. There you are. Shit. Did you hit your head? Here, let me help you up. See, this isn't fair. No one was gonna believe me when you said yes to the date. Now I gotta say you have brain damage too? I'm kidding. There. Doesn't seem to be any marks on you. I guess it was just steam making you a little dizzy. You sure you're all right? Oh, right. I should probably get a little further back. I'm a little exposed right now, aren't I? Was this your plan all along, pretty girl? I guess I'll give you a pass this time, but just so you know, I don't usually get naked this quickly into asking someone out. Although, you know, I just realized that there's no one else here. I could drop the nice guy act altogether and just f*** you right here in the showers. No one would hear. No one would come running. I can spread your pretty little cheeks and have you screaming. Keep you all to myself all night. Inside of you over and over. Would you like that? Look at you all spaced out. That must have been a nasty fall. It's no worry of mine. In fact, it helps me. You can't defend yourself now. I can even see your knees trembling. How adorable. Drop the towel. I want to see you. Drop it. Don't make me angry. Fine. If you're going to be like that, I'll take it myself. There you are. No, no, no. Don't you try and cover yourself up. You look utterly delicious. Nice and clean, too. Ready to be made dirty all over again. Turn around. Do as I say. Do you really think anyone's gonna come and save you? Are you really that fucking stupid? Make it easier on yourself and turn the fuck around. Good. Now grab it. Go on, grab it. Spread your open. Come on. You want me to do it for you? Ah, there we go. There's that cute little this could have gone so differently, you know. I would have taken you out to a dinner, paid for our meals, maybe offered my arm to you as we walked along the river. But this is so much more fun, don't you think? We can skip all the preamble, and you can get what you wanted all along. Without needing to get all dolled up and flutter your fucking eyelashes at me. So really, if you think about it, I'm doing you a favor. Let's have some fun. My are just looking at you, ready to be Spread your legs wider. I want you to make your mine. I'm gonna fill you with my so keep holding your open. Reminds me of how much of a are. Presenting yourself to me like a cat in hate. I bet you hoped this would happen, didn't you? Feel my fingers first, sliding up inside it. You're so warm and wet, and not just from the shower. Are you scared? Don't be frightened by a little finger. I'm sure this isn't your first time. Come on. This is only the beginning anyway. I think you're ready for the main event. Yeah. The head of my is so big. against your however will it fit. I guess we'll just have to make it work. Keep holding yourself. I'm pressing inside of you now. You feel my curve up deep inside of you, stretching those open. Oh, you feel so good. Oh, yeah. You feel fucking amazing, bitch. This might hurt a little, but I can't wait any longer. I need to pound you hard and fast. I need to come badly. You have no idea how badly I wanted you from the first moment I saw you. And I'm gonna make you mine now, bitch. Fuck. Oh, you like that, huh? This is exactly what you fucking wanted, isn't it? This is why you come here, isn't it? So you can be a prettier little whore. So you can get sexier just so you can get used like this. Well, you got it, bitch. You got exactly what you fucking wanted. Huh? How do you like it? Fucking scream. Tell me. Tell me how badly you fucking love this shit. Oh, yeah. There we go. Arch your back further. Put that chest all the way down, bitch. Let me slide inside you. Ah, you want me, don't you? You can pretend that you don't. But I know the truth. The slickness of your... That tells me everything I need to know, slut. You want this hard so very, very badly. Oh, here it comes. Get ready for my... Stay still. I want to make sure you take every fucking drop. All of it belongs to you now. I want you to keep me inside of you, feeling me twitch and throb, giving you it all. Oh, yes. Take it all. Take every fucking drop, bitch. Now get the fuck off me. Every time I see you in this gym, I'm gonna cut you. Even if I have to shred those gym clothes apart to get to that little... You'll never be safe from me. I mean, I guess you could go to a different gym, but something tells me you'll be back. Goodbye for now. Good workout.
oh boy, have I been busy lately. I appreciate you taking the time to give this one a listen. I had a lot of fun making it. The sound effects were a lot of fun to design. Remember, be good, like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.